What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dupe token. Ticker symbol is Dupe, and that is also the name of the token, D-U-P-E. This is Dupe the Duck, and this token is going insane right now, trending number 2 on DEX Tools. This is a Solana meme token. A lot of these Solana meme tokens do very well. This one is up 41,571% right now. Doing insane right now. That is pretty high percentage. They have a $2.17 million market cap. We're going to go over the information on the Dupe token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, like I said, $2.34 million market cap right now. Liquidity is $249,480 in Raydium. They have a circulating supply and a total supply of 420,690,000 tokens. 24-hour trading volume today is $6.68 million. They have 3,530 holders so far. There is 613.49 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 25.3 million pooled Dupe tokens. Now, this is a Solana token, so if you did want to get this token, basically all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet, your Coin98 wallet, Solflare wallet, whatever wallet you want to use for Solana. Fund that with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, dupetheduck.com, you would use that contract address and trade your SOL for the Dupe token. Now, you will have to set slippage here. Actually, it says no, 0% tax, so maybe 1% slippage at the most. And if you didn't understand anything that I just said, they do have a step-by-step how to buy this token with a Phantom wallet and Raydium on their webpage. So tokenomics-wise, we already went over total supply, no tax, but it says liquidity is burned and authority revoked. 95% of the tokens go to the liquidity pool, 3% goes to marketing and central exchange listings, and 2% goes to the dev team. Powered by Solana, Dupe on Sol. Pepe lost his best friend a while ago, named Dupe. He came back out of nowhere, and here he is with the Tokenomics. So they have a bunch of memes, of course, on their webpage, and in different moods. Basically, there's Mad Dupe, there's Cool Dupe, Friendly Dupe, and Addicted Dupe, and you could download one of these pictures. I guess this is for creating memes or sharing onto your socials, things like that. Way to spread the community message. Download some of these JPEGs of Dupe and then share them with different memes that you create. So Dupe is a meme token built for entertainment purposes only. We do not hold any rights to Pepe, nor do we provide any financial advice. Trading Dupe is at your own risk. So be aware of that. And then at the bottom of the webpage, they have their socials. So they have a Telegram at Dupe the Duck, 510 subscribers on there. You could preview the channel and check it out there. That's a great place to see updates and you know, chat with community members or whatever. And then they have their, they are on SolScan. It says there is 9 decimal places on this token. It is a meme fan token, Pepe Dupe. Those are the tags. Those are the tags for this token on SolScan. So, yeah, it's mostly locked, their liquidity, according to Dex Screener. And according to Dex Screener as well, their pool for this token was created 4 hours ago. So they're doing pretty well for 4 hours, 17 minutes ago. The Dupe token, brand new token. Right now it's trending #1 on Dex Screener. Doing very well, this project here. And besides that, they have a Twitter. And as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. They have 7 tweets so far. At Dupe the Duck. So this is, I don't know if this is a Matt Fury character. It seems like it is. It seems like it's Pepe's friend that he lost. Maybe in one of them comics, like the Boys Club comic books. Leave a comment if you know if this is actually, you know, from one of these Matt Fury comics. It seems like it is. I mean, I haven't read all these comics and stuff, but I probably should, because there's so many of these characters. Brett and Wolf and you name it. Andy. March 2024, that's when they joined Twitter. That's how brand new this project is. They already have 650 followers. They just joined Twitter. It has a link to their webpage right there. Pepe's lost friend, Dupe. So 1 hour ago, they tweeted out, "We've just soared past $5 million in trading volume with Dupe on Solana. Hold on to your feathers. It is just the beginning for Pepe's best friend. Disclaimer, Dupe is a meme token for entertainment purposes only." So lots of memes, obviously, on their page here. So just an hour ago, it says they added 100 Sol to the liquidity pool. And you can verify the SolScan transaction to make sure that they actually did that. And it says here, "Where ducks unite in harmony, Pepe's BFF is leading the way. Join the friendliest flock in crypto. And zero tax, liquidity burned, hottest token on Solana." And yeah, they even give you a little step-by-step on their Twitter here too, how to get the token off Raydium. And then lastly, they also got listed on Moon Talk recently, which is like a coin listing site. Has their contract address 4 hours ago in the tweet. So you can find the contract address in their first tweet on there as well. So this token may be available in a bit on Jupiter, maybe Orca, and then hopefully, you know, they do well and get some central exchange listings after that. But you'll have to stay tuned for that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.